Given that f of g is this, so f composed of g is x squared minus 6x plus 8, and g at x is this, so that means f at x minus 3 is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 8. What is f? Okay, so somehow it takes x minus 3 and turns it into this. So what operation are we doing to x minus 3 to get this? Now, look at this number here. If you divide that by 2, right, you get x minus 3. Divide this by 2 square actually is a process we often use to complete the square. So add 9, subtract the 9. These three terms become x minus 3. Now we can interpret it as 2x minus 3. We're squaring and subtracting by 1, which means f at x should be taking the square of the input and subtracting by 1.